How to open a saving account for Ali Bank. If you'd also like to open up a saving account for Ali Bank, you may follow up these steps. So you can visit their website, which is ali.com, or even go ahead and download their particular application, which is freely available. And once you access it, you should be finding this particular interface on your website. Now, what you can do is look out for the open account option from your main screen, or look out for the menu in the top left. And once you tap on it, you'll be finding first option called checkings and savings. You may also find it up and tap on it. And then once you tap on that particular page here, it will open up this. You can look out for this option called open account and tap on it right in the purple box. You may find it up and tap on it. And there you'll be finding different type of accounts available. For example, in the first we have spending, but since we are looking for savings, you can look out for savings and look out for their terms here, like limit of 10 withdrawals, rate is variable, unlimited deposit, etc. So once you view the details, you can tap on open account and follow up the process now. Now what you need to do is head over to the next page, wait for the space to load up, and then just fill up the application form. So you can choose the option that describes you best. You don't have an Ali login, you already have. You can select one of the option and then continue the process. And once you do, it will ask you other questions. So you can select the account type if it is individual, joint in the name of a trust, or a custodial account. So I'm gonna select individual. You may also select according to your own type. Once that is then savings it is, after that you can select up the amount that you would like to deposit first here in the section. And once you've entered it, you can basically go ahead and find this option called add this account. And apart from that, follow up with the process to verify yourself. So just go ahead and provide in your legal documents and everything in order to open up your saving account. And once you complete up the process, the application form, your account should be created. Your savings account should be created very easily online within ali.com. So therefore, if you'd also like to open up your savings account, you may follow up these simple steps in order to do so. You can do this under 5 minutes. So I hope this information was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.